With the GT Convertible, we wanted to add a contemporary tweed hood to the range of colours we already offer. We've seen tweed used in high-end product design as well as in interior design. The balance of the yarn colours combined with a stable technical weave construction has given us a very unique look. This adds to the contemporary surfaces of this beautifully designed Grand Touring convertible.
Veneers are a key element of our Bentley interiors. We have selected a wide range of veneers for the Continental GT Convertible to offer the customers as many choices as possible, because the veneer can be very personal. We've recently introduced liquid amber, which comes from Mississippi, and another species that is called Koa and comes from Hawaii. It is specifically important for the Continental GT Convertible because the cabin is revealed to the world.
The Continental GT Convertible has a body structure that's 5% stiffer and 20% lighter than the model it replaces. And this is due to the really intelligent use of lightweight aluminium materials and super high strength steels. The roof, with its combination of new insulating materials, offers a 3 decibel reduction in ambient noise, making our new convertible as quiet as the previous generation coupe. It can be open and closed in 19 seconds and also operated up to 50 kilometers an hour. It's unique in its ability to offer refined, all-season, open-top Grand Touring.